So guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter. So I talked about this particular airdrop here. I talked about this particular airdrop. You can see it. This is mini BTC airdrop. I talked about it, how you can claim this airdrop free of charge. And some people take action while some people are still looking at us. Okay. And this airdrop is going to be listed few days to come. Okay. And they said in their official website that this coin is going to be listed with $2. Let's just say that you claim that $50 worth of that token and it's been listed with just $2. Okay, it's a lot of money. You are going to make $100 just with the token that you get almost free of charge. You are going to be making $100. So guys, I'm going to teach you how you can claim more airdrop. Okay, how you can claim more airdrop and how you can navigate and do more things on that website. Okay, and I myself, I say that I'm going to purchase their pre-sale. I'm going to buy more of their pre-sale. I'm going to buy $100 worth of their pre-sale, and I'll still keep buying it till their launch or their listing day. Okay, this is the secret way to make wealth, and some people don't know it. So what I'm going to do right now is to go to our. So guys, you can see this particular link. Okay, if you must get this correct, you need this link. You can see the link that I'm touching. Okay, you can see it in the description, or you can come to our Telegram and get it also. You are going to see it in our WhatsApp also. So what you need to do is to click on this and hold it. Okay, so that you can copy the address. And once you copy the address, the next thing that you are going to do right now is very simple. We are going to our trust wallet. Okay, and once you are in the trust wallet, you enter the passcode. Okay, then after entering the passcode, the next thing that you are going to do right now is very simple. We are going to come to this browser. You can see where I'm touching. Okay, do this exactly the way I'm showing you this. So the next thing is to paste that link. Okay, paste that link that you copied from our description. So after pasting it, you leave it to load, and you leave it to load. After loading, you can come and read more about this token. Okay, you can come and read more about this token because I talked about it in my other video. So you can as well go and read that or go through that video. So guys, you can see that airdrop and pre-sale is going to end in 12 days time, and their listing will be kicked up, and they will list it in pancake swap. So you can see that how you can make money with this is very simple. See what you are going to do. Once you come to this place, what you need to do is to click on this claim here. But before then, you need to join their Telegram to be getting information. Okay, then you can come to this claim airdrop and click on claim airdrop. And once you click on claim airdrop, you can see that this is 50 mini BTC. Okay, you are going to get it free of charge. All you need is just to have at least $2 gas fee. Okay, that's what you need, $2 or $3 gas fee. Then you are good to go. You can keep claiming this with that the same amount. Okay, you can. That's the secret. You can claim this airdrop like 5 times. That's the thing. So if you want to claim this airdrop, you won't just click on this place and you won't click on this place. Okay, it will be showing you this. So what you are going to do, so see what you are going to do. This is the reason why I say that you should follow me step by step so that you will understand what you are doing. So what you are going to do is to come to this three line. You are going to locate it in your phone at the edge. Okay, at the right edge. So once you click on that, you are going to click on this place. You can see where I'm touching this first one, this EVM chain, that's ETH. So you click on that, and once you click on that, you are going to change this to BNB smart chain because this project is being built on BNB smart chain. So you click on this, and once you click on this, once you come to that place again, you can see that it's being connected to BNB smart chain. So we are good to go. So the next thing to do right now after that is to come to this place. Okay, and make sure that you have BNB on your wallet before you can proceed this thing that we are doing here. So you are going to click on this place, and once you click on that, the next thing you can do is to click on connect because that's BNB. Okay, so once you click on, you are going to allow it to load. You can see that in order to claim this, I'm going to spend 4.61. That's the total, the amount that I'm going to spend in order to get this 50 worth of the token. Okay, and if they are list it with $2, you are going to make $100. Okay, so what you are going to do right now is to come to this place, and once you come to that place, you're going to put your password. You can see successful. I have claimed it. Okay, I'm just showing you this so that you understand how you can do this. I have successfully claimed 50 mini BTC. Okay, and it's being sent to me instantly. Okay, so next thing that I'm going to do right now, like I said that I'm going to buy $100 worth of bits. I'm just showing you this particular airdrop so that you will understand how to claim yours. So what I'm going to do right now is to come to this place again, the pre-sale. You can see where I'm touching. Okay, so you come to this pre-sale if you want to buy the pre-sale. Like I said that I want to buy the pre-sale. I want to buy more of this pre-sale because I'm seeing this xmas is going to stew for us. Okay, because there's a lot of money to make with this token. So the next thing to do right now is to enter the amount. Okay, let me enter 0.44. I think that's the $100. Okay, and I'm going to get 1100 mini BTC. And just check that eventually this token being launched with that $2, I'm going to make 2400. Yes, no, 2200. I'm going to make 2200 with this particular token, this particular one. Not other ones that I have been buying, and I will still keep buying it till the launch. Okay, this is the reason why I'm doing all those things, and I'm showing you the practical way is for you to know what we are doing and how we are doing it. So the next thing to do right now is to click on this buy. Remember that you connect your BNB smart chain. So you can see that this I'm going to be paying 100.52. Okay, I'm going to pay 100.52. So I'm going to click on this approve, and I put my password. So you can see pre-sale order successful payment transaction. So guys, you can see here pre-sale orders successful payment, and this is the transaction. Okay, so the next thing to do right now is to cancel this. We are done with that already. So I'm going to share with you the price, because when I tell you things, I make sure that it's worth it. Okay, this is mini BTC. Okay, an ever growing income token. 1 mini BTC equals to $2 listing price. Okay, each mini BTC token is backed by DAF protocol and BNB reserve, which provide a level of stability to mini BTC value. By purchasing 1 BNB worth of the mini BTC pre-sale, you will be getting about 400% profit, which is about 4 BNB reward. Wow. So you can see what they are saying. I'm not the one that say it. You can do your own research. So what I'm going to do now, because after purchasing this token, what you are going to do is to come to this place, get contract address. Make sure that you use this particular pattern that I'm showing you. Okay, so what you are going to do is to say okay. Once you click on it, you copy it. Okay, that's your contract address. So once you copy it, we are going back. Let me share with you how you can add it to your trust wallet. Okay, let me share it with you. So you click on home, and once you click on home, you can see we are going to add it so that it will be like those ones that is here. You can see it. So how do we do this? You are going to come down to the last one. Okay, to this last one. So I'm going to click on this manage crypto. So after clicking on manage crypto, the next thing that I'm going to do right now is to paste that address that we copied before. So once I copy it and paste it here, you can see that you can't see anything here But don't worry, what you are going to do is to click on this place. So once we click on that, we are going to change this to BNB Smart Chain. It's not a Ethereum network, so we are going to change this to BNB Smart Chain. That's the network we need. So we are going to click on this paste. So once we click on that paste, automatically you are going to see the name, you are going to see the symbol, you are going to see the decimal, and the name is mini bitcoin, then the symbol is mini BTC, and the decimal is 18. Then after that, you are going to click on this import, and once you click on import, you are good to go. I can't click on import because I have already imported it already. So I'm just sharing with you how you can do this the simplest way. So I'm going to go back. So once I come to this back, you can see the token here. I'm going to click on it and refresh it. So once you refresh it, you are going to see that I have 1,450. That's 1,450 mini Bitcoin. This is the transaction. You can see it here. Okay. This is to tell you that whatever that I say that I'm going to do that. Let's just do a quick calculation here. This is 1,450. Let me just check this. That's I'm going to say $2 times 1,000, 1,450. Okay, so $2 times 1,450 will give me 2,900. Okay, let's just say that this particular token pumped to $3. I'm going to be getting 4,350. Okay, let's just say that it pumped to $5. I'm going to be getting $7,250. Go and check it in your local currency. This is what crypto is all about. It can pump even up to $10, and I'm making 14,500. Okay, what if it pumped to $20? It happens sometimes. I'm going to make $29,000. What if it pumped to $100? I'm going to be getting $1,405,000. Stop playing, stop playing, stop playing. There's a lot of money to make in crypto. There's a lot of money, a lot of money. So guys, if you love what I'm teaching you here, all you need to do is just to smash that subscription button, give me a thumb up, and also share this video to even your enemies, so that they can benefit from this. Okay, and also make sure that you give me a sweet comment. Join our WhatsApp group, join our Telegram group, join our TikTok. Those places I drop a lot of updates there. Do you understand? I drop a lot of updates. So what you need to do is just to join us, so that you can do what you are doing and make the same amount that you are making. Okay, like let's just say that I make just $2,900. That's almost 3 million. Yes, almost more than 3 million sef. Yes, more than 3 million just with this token. And you tell me that this xmas is not going to stew, and I'm still going to buy more. I'm still going to buy more. Okay, what we do in this channel is that we take every opportunity that we see. Before I started investing in this website, all you need to know is that I have do my own research. Okay, and all the research that I have been doing have been telling me that this token is going to go far. Do you understand? This token is going to go far. A lot of millionaires are going to be raised with this particular token. All you need to do is just to continue claiming the airdrop. Okay, continue claiming it. If you have up to $10, you can keep. After you claim, you can still claim again. After you claim, you can still claim again until the $10 finished. Okay, you can do that with $20. You can do that with $30. Do you understand? So that's that. Making money is very simple. Okay, making money is very simple. If you want to participate on that pre-sale, you need like $21. But if you don't have up to that, you can, continue getting the airdrop. So guys, I'm going to drop this here. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is whatever that is working for me, I'll come here and share it with you. See you guys at the top.